What's up, Monster Hunter fans? Today, I'll be teaching newcomers on how to become a better Monster Hunter. I'm gonna try to share my knowledge and tips how to be better at Monster Hunting. Okay, so first, before moving on to the next missions, especially if you know you'll be facing stronger bosses. So like what I'm doing here, this is like my 7th or 8th time hunting the Barroth to complete the Barroth set. Okay, to fully become an efficient monster hunter, you should not just blaze through the missions, go straight ahead. You need preparation, and to prepare, that's when the grinding comes in. And what makes it more fun and rewarding is that no matter how many times I kill this beast, I still had fun, and every time I'm going up against it, I learn more things. Especially the reward, I gain more armor and complete the set. Alright, so you see that? You need to evade. Yes. The more times you'll be facing a monster, it will be just instinctively you will just instinctively evade. It's like you will feel like the monster attack is coming. Okay, so I'm so strong right now, and as you see earlier, the battle just ran away, and I could just take on these two guys at once. Okay, so you see the damage I'm receiving from the Barrett is not that much because well armored, and that's that's the result of my preparations. Okay, so and also to make sure that your palico is well equipped so that it can be more efficient. As you see here, I'm not using potions that much. I just let the palico bring me some vitality. Alright, so the equipment, yes, that's the most important factor in the skills. First, with the equipment, start with your main weapon. Upgrade it to the strongest weapon available. If you don't have the parts, grind for it, hunt for it. Okay, so the next is to get good. So with your weapon, you need knowledge, and you need to practice how to use it effectively, and you should know your combos, watching tutorials, know when the and how to keep your weapon at maximum output damage. Like, as you see here, with this weapon, the switch axe, you want to be 90% of the time at sword mode. Yes, that's when you can unleash the full potential of this weapon. And also with the weapon preparations, having your weapon having a weapon that deals stun is also good, so give you more time to deal out some punishment. So as you see here, I'm so strong right now. Just a few moments of hacking at the monster. Big monsters run away. And also you want to learn how to take advantage of leverage. And when the monster is knocked down, maximize the opportunity. Dish out your strongest combos. Alright. So also know when to throw your strongest attack. Like my elemental discharge here. I sometimes do it when I know the monster is recovering. I won't deal the maximum damage, but I will still deal a lot of damage. And yes, leverage. You want to be on top of the monster most of the time. And also know where are the soft spots of the monster that will be more effective rather than hitting the hard parts. Alright, so ignition. So if you're recovering, you can spam X the other direction you want to evade. And hopefully you roll out. You see the monster's down. I capitalize on the moment. Alright, so you saw me unleash my elemental discharge sooner without having a full combo. Okay, so I'm armored. I don't receive that much damage. So like when you do get hit, you have more room for errors. Alright, so it's running away again. Also when it's running away, throw some stones, slingshot, do a bit of damage. Might help. Or make the fight more varying. So do other stuff rather than just slashing away. Okay, so as always, I'm trying to get leverage. So I'm trying the R2 slash jump here, and it doesn't mount, so okay. Just don't be afraid to try and learn new things. Okay, so you see that, so keep out of it still. So I'm still taking damage. I don't mind. I'm gonna try to complete this mission without using a potion. And also always monitor your weapon sharpness, because the damage output goes down when your weapon becomes dull. Whoa, that was cool. Oh, and this mission I wanted to try not using a whetstone. Okay, more leverage. Trying to, oops, not able to mount. Okay, power go. Pretty good. Really helps out a lot. Okay, that's my main combo. There's 3 circles and then elemental discharge. And as I've said, I also use discharge directly without the combo. Okay, so I think the damage is not that much right now. Whoops, looks like I did not need to use redstone anyway. Okay, so yes, that was real quick. So I was unlike previous Monster Hunter's boss fights take like 30 minutes to an hour, but this look is just 10 minutes, especially if you're well prepared. If they're not running away that much, I would have finished this sooner. Yes, and also if you're good and you're well prepared, the boss fight does not have to take like 30 minutes or an hour. Especially if you're maximizing your damage output. Okay, so also in the downtime, try to collect as much items as possible, especially herbs. Okay, so here we go, good job. One thing I've noticed with this game is that the loading time is really long. Wow. I think it's like a minute or more. Okay, so here we go, we're back at the town. I'm gonna use the lift here to get to the second floor to the workshop. Okay, and we'll see Kratos, the god of war of forgery. Okay, so this is my last run for the Barroth, and I'm gonna have my completed Barroth set. Alright. And that's my card armor, the Jira. Just to have the high defense. And now, here we go. Alright, Kratos, do your stuff. No, his men are doing this stuff. Okay, equip it, and we have the full battle set. Looks pretty good. Let's check out the skills. Very good. Reduces impact and reduces stun duration. Let's check out the other skills. I'm not really quite familiar with the skills setup yet. But anyway, it's pretty good. And there you have it. Keep your weapons, your armor up to date. And earlier, before this mission, I used armor spheres to upgrade also my armor. And also, like, yeah, don't forget to craft. Always keep a good supply of potions and mega potions. But I'm so well equipped right now, I didn't have to use any potion at that last mission. Alright, there you have it, and thank you so much for watching. Alright, peace out, Monster Hunter fans.